Welcome to the PC Error Detective. In today's video, I will show you how to delete deleted items in Outlook step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides and tips. Step 1. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to the correct email account. Step 2. Once Outlook is open, look at the folder pane on the left-hand side. Locate the Deleted Items folder and click on it. This folder contains all the emails and items you've previously deleted. Step 3. Next, right-click on the Deleted Items folder. A menu will appear with several options. Step 4. From the context menu, click on Empty Folder. This action will prompt Outlook to prepare to delete all the items in the Deleted Items folder. Step 5. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete all items. Click Yes to confirm. Outlook will then permanently delete all the emails and files in the Deleted Items folder. And that's it. Your Deleted Items folder is now completely empty. Thanks for watching.